Alright guys, welcome back to my trailer today. I went to the Walmart in my new area. I found the highlighter Hyperfield Dragon, which is nice. Monster Truck Dragon. There's a back of it, we know. They beat me to the Ghost Crew. I was gonna get it, but they beat me to it. Here it is, Dragon. Pretty cool. Hyperfield, right? Yeah, Hyperfield. What I do is do the unboxing. Ooh, this is a nice one. Here it is, guys. Look at that dragon. I love the highlighter yellow. And the black really suits it. There we go. Look at this, guys. Shout out to my mom for getting me this. She got me another one, so I'll unbox after this. There's a dragon logo. The teeth, the black horns. Pretty nice monster truck. I love this one. All neon highlighter yellow. Black bottom. There it is. Alright guys, so on to the next unboxing. Peace out.